guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a review of some products, some affordable products from Target by the brand of Dove for their texture line. So if you want to see my review on these new products, please keep watching.
Don't touch my hair.
Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing like I said, the Dove Amplified Textures. Today I have the Hydrating Cleanse Shampoo for coils, curls, and waves. And then also I have the Super Slip Detangling Conditioner, the Leave-In Conditioner, and the Finishing Gel. And of course the Shaping Butter Cream here. So I'm going to be trying out all of this in this line and giving you guys my honest review. These products are $6.99 at your local Target. I purchased a couple of these and then I borrowed a couple of these just to review the whole collection. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. All right guys, so we're going to discuss it. I'm going to put some clips in showing you guys me using this. Let's talk about the Hydrating Shampoo. I do not like the fact of the pump because you only get a little bit out of it, and it's more of like a jelly consistency is from what I show you guys. It did a very good job of cleansing my hair. I didn't find that it stripped my hair. My hair did feel clean after it was used. I would give this possibly a 6 out of a 10. Wasn't my favorite, wasn't the worst one, and I did like it, but I didn't absolutely love it, so it was just okay. Now let's move on to the Super Slip Detangling Conditioner with coconut milk. This stuff was really good. My hair felt immediately moisturized after putting this in my hair. I did borrow this from my little sister Lakin. I will be purchasing this one on my own because I liked it that much. It did have a lot of slip to it. I did not use a whole lot of it, but my hair was very easy to detangle it. In the sink. I'm sorry. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Super Slip Detangling Conditioner. Out of the collection this far, I would give this a 9 out of a 10. All right, so now that we are up to speed, or you guys are up to speed to what I've done already in the sink, I'm going to go in with the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner, excuse me, here, and I'm going to just apply this to my hair. This is a very lightweight leave-in, so I'm going to just apply this to my hair. First of all, let me go ahead and part my hair the way I want it to be parted. So I'll do that, section my hair off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I've applied the leave-in conditioner into my hair looks really good. It definitely made my curls clump together, as you guys can see. My hair feels moisturized and it looks good, feels good, very lightweight, you know, not very heavy, so that's what I like. I'm going to apply my sealing oil. This is of course one I always use in every one of my videos. It's the African Pride 5 Essential Oil. I just apply this over the leave-in conditioner before I apply my styler. So I'm gonna just do that real quick and then I'll be right back. All right, so my last two styling products that I have is the Shaping Buttercream. This is supposed to be used for a wash and go, rake evenly throughout your hair, work in sections, air dry or heat dry with the diffuser, or it could be used for a twist out or a braid out. You guys know I'm a wash and go girl, so I'm going to be using this for a wash and go for the buttercream, and then I'm going to top it off with the finishing gel. This is supposed to be used after the lock-in leave-in conditioner, and you apply this to hair for a frizz-free shiny curl. So we'll see if this lives up to the hype. The cream is a kind of a thin consistency, as you guys, it's kind of already falling out if I do like this. It's not a super thick cream, so I'm not sure how moisturizing this is gonna be, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try and hope for the best. My hair feels really good and moisturized for these first two steps for sure. So I'm going to just take about that much of the product and rub it in. This is very thin to be a styling cream, but you know, we'll see what happens. I don't think it's going to give me a lot of hold, which is why I brought the finishing gel to go on top of it. It does weigh my hair down. which could be a good sign. And it does clump my curls together. So, but I don't think that this is gonna be like a volumized wash and go. But let me just stop talking and keep going. So the gel is this type of consistency, not very thick, but I'm gonna just put it on top and see what happens. Oh, we got a lot of slip to it. A whole lot of slip. Can y'all hear that in my mic? I have my hair really close to my mic. Okay, that looks really good. You guys know I don't shingle my hair, so I'm gonna move on to the next section and I'll let you guys watch. Well, that looks very, very good thus far. Very promising. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair and then all right, guys, so my hair is completely done now. I'm going to go ahead and sit under the hooded dryer because it is kind of late in the day and I want my hair to dry before I go to bed tonight. So far it looks really good. I will tell you that I don't like that this isn't a pump, this gel. So if it would have been like inside of a jar, I think it would have probably been better for me to be able to scoop it out, because I had to sit there and keep doing like this to you know, that was a little aggravating doing that. But overall, looks very promising. Curls are in formation, so we're going to, you know, cross our fingers, send our hooded dryer, and we're going to come back and see what my hair looks like after it's fully dried, which I may come back tonight or I may come back tomorrow. I'll let you guys, I'll tell you tomorrow. So just stay tuned. All right, guys. So here is the finished look. This is, of course, day one. My hair, I literally set in a hooded dryer. Put my hair up in the pineapple last night, took it down. I stretched my roots, and this is how it came out. So I actually like my hair a lot. It's super defined, moisturized, and I love it. So I do recommend these products. Let's go over this real quick. The shampoo was the conditioner was a 2 thumbs up. Leave-in conditioner was super moisturizing. I like the leave-in a lot. The Shape-In Body Cream did really good, but I do feel like you need both of these together to make this type of wash and go work. I don't think I would use this by itself, and I probably wouldn't use this by itself, but together it's a hit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video and you learned anything from it, please be sure to hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.